Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone's doing well. Okay, today here in Texas is actually, it's in the 30s and it's raining and it's cold. Well, anyway, today we're going to do unboxing of 4 beautiful diamond paintings from Amazon, and I hope you will like them. Okay, the first one is basically, I don't know, I just loved it because it's, well, look what it says. It says, assuming I'm just an old lady was your first mistake. I love it. And it's like, it looks like it's like a flower girl piece, like in the 70s. And she's surrounded by flowers. She's got these cool glasses. And she's got the peace sign on her outfit. And it's very, very clear, guys. This is a 30 by 40, okay? So let's measure it for the true size. It's actually 25 by 35. And this one has 23 colors, and this is $4.99. So I'll bring it up so you can see how clear it is. Look at this. See that? See her face, her pretty face with her glasses, her sunglasses, and she's got the peace sign going on. And she has it also on her shirt, and she's surrounded by these beautiful, beautiful flowers. Okay. All right, so let's look at the colors very quickly here. So it comes, as you can see, it comes with some resealable bags, wax, a pen, a tray, and the pencil grip, okay, to help with your hands. So let's put that aside, and these are the colors. Let's take a quick look. I hate the sound of the bags. I'm sorry, of the bag that it makes, but I can't help it. All right, let's move that over there. So let's see. It says it's got 22 colors. So let's look at these babies very quickly. Wow, look how bright they are, guys. Okay, so you've got yellow for, I guess, for the flowers. You have black. It looks black. 2 bags of, I think this is 310. Probably for the background, for the letters. So you got orange, cool pinks, some reds, orange, it looks like a tangerine. So all these colors, beautiful bright colors, blues, oranges, greens. Looks like it's all for the flowers. Move that aside. All right, here you have more orange, like a light pink, green, pink. This is like a very, very light, I was gonna say beige, maybe like a very, very light one. Nice color, purple, turquoise maybe, and 3 bags of white. That's probably for, I have no idea. Yeah, I guess from here, it's everywhere. Okay, so this one's a very cool one, guys. All right, and it's $4.99 with 23 colors. All right, let's move that one aside. The next one is a beauty. Okay, this one, she's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, it has like that watercolor effect, which I love. Look at all the colors. Just look how beautiful she is. It's very clear too, guys. This one's a 30 by 40. Okay, let's see. 25 by 35, and like I said before, 22 colors, and this one is $9.99, and she's absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. Looks like they took like a brush and they splattered the brush, and has that, and also has that watercolor effect. All right, let me bring her up. As you can see, it's very, very clear, stunning. Look at her face, just absolutely beautiful. Okay, so it comes with the tray, wax, pen, and resealable bags. Let's put that over here. And the colors. Let's look at the colors. Beautiful colors, guys, also, just like the other one. So where do we begin? Where is number 1? Where are you? Okay, over here. So you got the pinks, gray. This is like an olive green, purples, like a mustard color, yellows, peachy color. Looks like 3 bags of this pink. Very pretty. It's like a very, very light pink. This is like blues in the blue family. More blues. Oh, look at this green, guys. That's probably like around there. Wow, love these colors. And these are the last ones. So it's a beautiful painting. All right, so let's move this aside. And this, like I said before, 22 colors. And it's $9.99. Okay. All right, 2 more to go. The next one is a wintry one, guys. So we have, this is actually a fun wintry one. This one is supposed to be a 30 by 40. Let's say the true size. 25 by 20, I mean 25 by 35. That's what I meant, sorry. Right? Yeah, 35. Okay. And this one is just basically, you have 3 mugs with some decorations in the front, and then you have 3 gnomes just basically sitting on top of the mugs, and they're just having a wonderful time, a fun time. Then they have these candy canes. So very clear also, just perfect for now, very wintry, and it's a fun painting. Okay, and this one's $7.99, and it's got 24 colors. And I believe, yep, these are it. It comes with the tray, wax, resealable bags, pencil, a diamond pen, not a pencil, diamond pen, and the grip for the pen to help with your hands. All right, so let's look at these babies very quickly. Where is the opening? Sometimes I can't find it, guys. There you go. Sorry about the noise again. Let's move that aside. All right, let's look at these beautiful colors. All right, so you've got beige. It looks like it's gonna have lots of blues in the blue family. You have grays. This is like a sage. You have reds. See, lots of blues. Right there. Lots of blues. And you have gray, green. I think this is black, brown, and oh, look at that. Love those colors. It's like a blue-green. And then you have some more here. Told you guys, lots of blues. As you can see, this one here, these 3 here, it's probably for the background, but it's like a light blue. And then you have some white, green, and blue. All right. All right, so this one is $7.99. It's got 24 colors. Very cute. Okay, and then the last one, I thought this one is just very lovey-dovey for Valentine's Day. Okay, and then you have 2 very adorable cats, and they're in love. Look at their little tails. They're entwined. They connect, and they make one. Okay, and then you have this beautiful blue background. They're sitting on a tree. It's got some leaves. Look at the moon. They're watching the moon together. They're in love, guys. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. Okay, so this is by Diamond Double. It's got 26 colors. All right, so let's see the measurement on this baby here. This was 25. Well, let's start, I guess, here. 35. Okay. And this comes in a little bag, which is nice. Oh, look, it's got clips. So it's got clips, a tray. Well, let's open this one, guys, so you can see it. If I can get it open. It's hard to get things open with no nails. I cut all my nails again last night. They were getting out of control. Okay, so we have some wax in a container, resealable bags, some clips. So I guess when you're diamond painting, you can clip the painting. You got a pen, orange, and you have a pen grip and the tray. All right, pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then these are the colors. So let's open up these babies very quickly. So this one actually, guys, is $8.99. Let me bring it up. I forgot to bring it up so you can see it clear. Look how clear that is, guys. And then you have the moon and the 2 kitty cats in love. sitting on a tree, and look at their tails. Just beautiful. All right. So let's see. Here we have browns, blues. By just looking at the painting, you know you're gonna have lots of blues, lots of oranges, and browns. Okay, so you have browns, grays, orange, a little bit of pink, mustard. Ooh, what is this, guys? Look at this. This is an AB. Haha. It says it's 13. And 13 is that sign right there, their symbol. So let's see if we can find it. Oh, where is it at? Oh, okay, I see it. It's all the way down here. This blue, it's like a shadow maybe? Huh, that's interesting. Okay. And as you see, this must be the background. All the blues. Lighter blue, brown, blue, and red. Oh, we have more here. We have some pinks, some blues. This is a very pretty color. It's like a brown orange color. Nice. That's probably for the cats. It's like a pink. This is like a chocolate brown and some purple. All right, guys. So absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's put that over there on my mess. Okay, so this one again, I'll put all the information on my description box. Okay, the links actually. Okay, this one is 26 colors, $8.99. This one has 24 colors and it's $7.99. And this one has 22 colors and it's $9.99. Wow, she's gorgeous, guys, and the colors. Okay, and this one is a fun one, and this one is 23 colors and $4.99. So there we have 4 beautiful paintings, 4 beautiful choices, and I hope you like them. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.